Three in one person, mighty God, always there who truly cares, giver of eternal peace, help me to be one in thee. As I come before your throne, seeking my eternal home, longing to see you face to face, waiting for your warm embrace, striving to do your perfect will, climbing up this holy hill. I desire to come home to you, day by day, through and through, giving my life to you. Working for you is my heart's delight. You help me through every plight. The one that I give my whole self to, he'll be with me till the end, I know it's true. He embellishes my eternal soul, the one whom over I have no control. He guides me along the righteous path, saves me from his eternal wrath, enlightens my spirit with holy flame, saving me from my eternal shame. The one that I cannot truly trust, through true love he debunks lust. Three in one person, mighty God, always there who truly cares, giver of eternal peace, help me to be one in thee.